This project is called CTHULHU Lamp. It starts from a simple rule. We should not look directly into a bright lamp. This rule made me think of the CTHULHU idea of something that should not be seen, not because it's bright, but because it could break the mind. In this work, the lamp becomes a small doorway to that sense of cosmic fear. When someone tries to look into a lamp that is not meant to look at, a strange feeling appears, a feeling that only shows up at the moment they cross a forbidden line. The fear does not come from the lamp itself, it comes from crossing the line, from trying to see something that should stay unseen.